The MTA recently announced the completion of the accessibility project at the 68th Street Hunter College station on the 6th line in Manhattan. The project includes 3 new elevators, new entrances, an expanded mezzanine, and state-of-good repair work. The elevator from street level is located on 68th Street and Lexington Avenue and takes you to the mezzanine and fare control area. After passing through the fare array, you'll reach the waiting area. This area includes new artwork by Lisa Corinne Davis in both of the mezzanine to platform elevators. The new entrances to the station are located between 68th and 69th Streets and Lexington Avenue for the Bronx-bound side, and on the corner of 69th Street and Lexington Avenue for the downtown and Brooklyn side. These entrances lead you to a small fare array, then straight to the platform. These elevators are a great addition to the 6th line, and it's nice to see this project finally completed. If you'd like to see more of these accessibility update videos in the future, consider supporting the channel by liking the video or pressing the subscribe button below.